Okay, so what I'm going to do right now, since we have successfully developed the Kraken exchange into the Easybot, and also we have developed the way to move your exchange or to move your bots from exchange to another. So I'm going to demonstrate both of them together at the same time. First of all, I'm going to show you about Kraken, how do you connect it to Easybot, and how do you use the API connection, and how do you set it up. So let me share my screen. Okay, so let's say this is the new account or an existing account, whatever it is, and you want to add Kraken and you want to start a new bot with Kraken. So the first thing to do is to come here to Exchange and then My Exchanges and then Add New. When you want to add new, then here you have to give it a name. Let's say Easybot. And here you will find on the list Binance.com, Binance US, KuCoin, as well as Kraken. So when you select Kraken, then what you need to do is copy these trusted IP addresses. And then you go back to your Kraken. You have to go to kraken.com. And from here, from the back office, you have to come to these dots on the top right, and you select Kraken Pro, because Kraken Pro is where the tradings are happening and where you can get your API connection done. On Kraken Pro, on the top right, you will see your name. And on that, you click on it, you click on Settings. And then on this screen, you will find My Accounts, Security, Activity, and API. So you click on API, and then you click on Create API Key. First thing you need to do is to give it a name. I'll just put a name just for the sake of making it fast. On the left-hand side, just focus on these settings. You need to really be careful when you do them. You don't have to click on deposit. You don't have to click on withdraw. Click on the first one when it says funds. Click on query. The second column, you have orders and trading. Just click on all of them because we're going to do trading. On the right-hand side, you see data. You click on query, ledger, entry. Let's move down. WebSockets interface. You have to click this one because WebSockets is how do we read the prices of the market from the exchange. Then the second one also is very, very important and crucial for security. You have to click on it. And the API, so the IP addresses that we copied from here, you have to copy this one, and then you go back to Kraken Pro, and then you paste the addresses here. That's all you need to do. And then you click on Create Key. Then you're going to get your API key and your private key. You copy the API key, you go back to Easybot, you put the key, and then you go back to Kraken, and then you copy the private key, then you go back here, you paste the private key on the secret, and then you save it. Here you go, you have the exchange already connected. Now to create a new bot on that exchange is as simple as Binance and KuCoin. You just add a new, and you select the exchange as what we added now, Kraken, and then give it a name. Let's say this is the coin that you want to trade with. It's Ethereum, let's say, or it's CRV, for example. Let's say it's CRV. And then here you have to select either USDT or USD. Now, something very important about Kraken that you need to know is that not all of the coin pairs are available in USDT. Majority of them are available in USD, and some of them are in USDT. Let's see the list now. For example, for USDT, you have only those coins: BTC, ETH, XRP, ADA, DOT, Doge, and a couple of others. On USD, you have the list is bigger. Some of them are available in both of them in USD and USDT, but some of them are only available in USD or only in USD. Sorry about Luna shouldn't be here. We're going to remove it. So let's say you want to trade CRV. Let's look at USDT and see if CRV is here. No, CRV is not available in USDT. It's available only in USD. So I'll go to USD and then select the CRV. Now let's say if you don't have USDT and USD and you have only USDT, what you need to do is do a simple conversion on Kraken. Let's go back to Kraken. Let's close this. And then you go back to the Kraken, not Kraken Pro. The easiest way to do it is to really come here and click on Convert. You see in the middle of the screen, there's Convert. When you click on it and when you have funds, it will show you to convert from which coin to which coin. And you can select USDT to USD and click on OK, and immediately you will get the USD and you can trade with it. You save it and that's it. So this is all. Now, another very important information about Kraken is the trading limits or the trading the minimum amount to trade with the EasyBot strategy without having problems is, the good news is most of the coins you can trade as low as 300, just like KuCoin, except for 2 coins. The 2 coins are, the first one is Ethereum, which is ETH, where the minimum amount to trade with is 1,200. This is because the minimum amount to trade with in Kraken is higher, much higher than Binance and than KuCoin. Now the other coin is BCH, Bitcoin Cash, is also having the same amount, minimum amount of 1,200 to trade with. And that's applicable in both of the main coins, the USD and USDT, because those 2 coins are available in USD as well as USDT. So in both USD and USDT, the minimum amount to trade with here is 1,200. Other coins are all as good as KuCoin. You can start with 300. Okay, so that's all about creating new bots into Kraken.